Hello and welcome to my Tips to Financial Independence channel. I'm happy to have you here. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Today, I'm going to discuss 10 secrets of the rich and successful people. Number one, they take responsibility. Do not get into the habit of blaming everyone else when you fail at something. If, for example, a business fails, someone may have contributed to it failing, but ultimately you have to take full responsibility. Once you own your mistakes, you will do better in future dealings. This will include picking the right people to deal with or starting a better business based on lessons learned. Number two, they know what they want. It's hard to succeed if you don't know what you want. Make a list of things you want and prioritize them. If you want a dream job, car, or house, note it down and do not be vague. For example, you can say, I want this car brand, the color, and other specifications. Number three, they believe what they want is possible. Believe that what you want is possible no matter how out of reach it might feel at the moment. Someone said, if your dreams do not scare you, they are not big enough. Dare to dream big. Number four, they visualize success. Create a vision board of what you desire. The vision board will help you stay focused on your goals and dreams. Place the vision board in a place you can see it daily to keep the dream alive. Number five, they behave like they are already successful. Use the word when, not if. For example, say, that's my dream house. That's my dream car. When I get that house next year, when I get that car in 8 months, I'll drive it to Miami. The word if shows uncertainty. Use when. Number six, they work towards making the dream possible. Big dreams require sacrifice. Make the necessary sacrifices to make the dream a possibility. You may have to work overtime or forego your expensive vacation. Number seven, they may feel afraid but do it anyway. Working towards achieving success may mean starting a business or applying for that top job that you think you won't get. You can feel afraid. Do not let the feeling of being afraid prevent you from going for your dreams. Always remind yourself that those who are successful or rich have had that feeling before, but they did not let the fear prevent them from pursuing their goals. Number eight, they seek a mentor. Don't let ego prevent you from seeking a mentor. A mentor will add confidence to you when you're afraid. A mentor that has already succeeded will be your closest reminder that you will also succeed one day. Number nine, they have enthusiasm and passion. You have to be passionate about your goals. There has to be a fire burning in you to achieve the goal, otherwise, you're more likely to give up. Being enthusiastic will help you come up with creative ways to attain your goals. Number 10, they are always improving. Always seek to improve yourself so that you can reach your highest potential. The many things we enjoy in this world or make our lives easier are as a result of innovators who continue to create new products or improve the existing ones. If you do the same in your life, you can achieve success. Thank you for watching and remember to like, share, and subscribe.